Microphone check 1 2. What is this? It's Daryl, off Earth, back again for another one, baby. You ready for this one? I don't think y'all ready for this one. What's the word, nerds? It's Daryl once again, back, new video. This one is more of a vlog style, I guess you could say. Just wanted to show you something cool that I've been kind of working on in between all the other projects that I've been trying to get out. I have quite the laundry list because I just can't stop printing stuff, and especially since I got my new resin printer, the Epax E10, the big boy. I just been printing like a madman, and there's more stuff on my workbenches and covering all my workspaces than I care to talk about. But in this video, we're going to talk about something that I've kind of wanted to do for a while. I'm working on a 1-to-1 torso bust, so like the top of the head down to, like, you know, the waistline of a Pre-Beskar Mandalorian. And so I started printing stuff. I printed the chest. These are 3D files from GreatApeStudio art on Etsy. I'll make sure to link it or make it, you know, blow up on the screen or something like that. You know, I might have a little side-by-side picture-in-picture scroll through. But I printed this. I also have the little ab plate thingy that goes underneath this guy. I still need to sand it down and get it ready for paint. I might cast these because I've been playing a lot with silicone and resin. And so we also have the shoulders. You know what I'm saying? Mandoed up. I think these are a little too small for me, but they should be all right for the actual bust itself. And the helmet, it's painted with that good old Aluma-Luster. Might redo the weathering. Kind of went a little crazy on the weathering on this guy, and I let my son play with it and he dropped it and the visor popped out, so I have to put another visor in here. But that's the helmet. This is done. This has been done for quite some time. This was actually a resin cast from my friend Jeremy, aka Dragonborn Jedi, over on the Instagrams. So check him out. That dude's an amazing prop maker. And last but not least, let's see here. This is the bust. So I got this guy off of Facebook Marketplace. I just stuck this in here because I was like putting styrofoam heads on it just to see how things would set. But yeah, probably gonna get on like AliExpress, buy one of those cheap sky costume flight suits to go underneath, and yada yada. But this is the torso base, and I'm gonna have this on display either out here in my shop or somewhere in my house. But yeah, that's the idea. I wanted to make a life-size 1-to-1 Djarin Mandalorian Pre-Beskar bust. You don't see a lot of them. Who knows? I mean, you know, I might cast all these little pieces here, the armor, and make a little run if anybody else wants to duplicate this process. So yeah, like I said, this is just a quick little vlog. Yeah, and if you like this and you want to see more of the build process of this, which I probably will just start shooting some footage for this guy and just put together something with some really dope music in the background, and just like me sanding, painting, sanding some more, painting some more, or maybe like sanding and primering, but then like we'll get to the paint, because the paint job on the Pre-Beskar is pretty interesting. And part of the reason why I wanted to do a cast of the Mando titty plate is because I messed up. I didn't realize that the files that come with GreatApeStudio's files, he has a chest plate that is not dented. or scratched or worn or beat up like the Mandalorians, and instead of like destroying this fine PETG print for a one-off, I was thinking I could just cast it in some urethane resin and beat the hell out of that, and then I have a mold as well. So, you know, we'll see. But stay tuned. This was vlog 1 of who knows how many on the Pre-Beskar Mandalorian 1-to-1 bust. Thanks for watching. Peace.